Hello everyone. Well, in this video I will show you how to create a work area within a work area. Um, this was a challenge for me in the past few weeks since we lost our ProjectWise admins, and since they left we don't have any documentation how they did it. So I've been digging around. Um, and we found a solution. And thanks to David, because he pointed me up to the right place, and then from there it was just mimicking what's already been done. So this video will show you exactly how to create. So this is a work area. This is a project that has been made already. Inside it we have this template, and in execution you usually find the FP ID here, which is for the one project. But what if you want to do like this? Let's go for example to this project. Execution, as you see here, you have 4 projects, which are 4 work areas. That's how the folder look like. That's the logo looks, it means it's a work area. Like the color is here with the folder, that means it's a work area, the same as the main one. And you see the config files for these work areas within the same project. So we usually do this, as you can see, because we have different FP IDs. So it's the same contract, the same project, but within that we need different FP IDs. So I will show you how to create these. Like I said, work area within a work area. So let's go back to this project that already been testing. So inside it, I already made this. I already have the FP ID here. I call this FP ID A. This is the new project, and you see I have the config for it and the DG and WS for it. I already tested. If you opened it, and if we open a blank file, I'm going to skip to the video open, to the program open. Okay, we are back. It's about to open now. And I just want to show you this just so you can see that it's actually picking up the right workspace. Oh, it's already open. Sorry, another screen. So let me bring it here. So it's just the blank file, but if you look here at the side, at the bottom, you say FDUT work. The workspace is FDUT, and the work set is the FPID-A, which is the same one that I made here. If we go back here, which is the same one here. So it's reading the config file. So let's do it, and I'm gonna do step by step from scratch. Let me close all this. Let me clear crash it. Free the file. Okay, so go to execution, and then let me do right click a new work area and do next. It will ask you if you want to use a template or not. I mean, if you have a template, you can use it. For example, if I did FDUT, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it none, because again, the template will just bring you the folders, but I know what I want in it. So I'm just going to do next. Okay, now he's going to ask for the name, so I'm just going to do as I did for the other one. So FPID and then dash B. Description, I'm just going to leave it on because I'm doing this because the UR still don't know the FPID, so I'm just leaving them like this. Later on, I can change them. Environment, you know what? I'm just going to leave everything none. I'm not going to do nothing. You can change the owner, it's you, or you want to make it the UR or whatever, it's up to you, but I'm just going to leave everything as it is. So do next. And you ask for work area. Just select that it's an FDUT work area. And me selecting this just so you can have this. Just so you can have these properties here, which you can fill later with these information, as you can see here. Because if I did none, it's just going to be blank. But as you know, this is the good place to have the information, so whoever you are, somebody come, they can see the information of the project. So let's select FDUT because all these are preset in our system. So your system might have different things. So let's just do next. And then here will ask the application. We usually just select the application because it's pre-set up here, meaning it will let it open anything and everything. And it's set up to inherit from this one, which is the main one. The main, basically the main permission for projects that this one got, which is the original one when it got made. So leave it as it is and just do next. And then here where you can add the owners and the members, which is, as you can see, these are groups of these people, and inside them there are a bunch of people who you are allowing to do this, who can write, who can delete, who can do blah, blah, blah. I'm already having it because it's the same thing as here. I want to keep it the same. The only thing I added, just added my name here. This is going to have extra control on it, so let's just do next. And then that's it, finished. As you can see, it was made. Here we go. Let's go back to execution. And as you see now, FPIDP was made. So now the next thing we need to do is we need to go find these CFG and DG and WS. And also we need to go find what we're going to put here. So let's go back to execution. First thing, let's go find these. So since we are in Florida, these config files, you can find them from here if your ProjectWise set up like this, or you can just go to your local computer. They are there. I'm going to show you from both. Let's go to my local computer, and then let's go 1012. FDUT. They might be not here. Maybe I'm clicking the wrong thing. Oh, I'm sorry, it's on workspace. And then FDUT, work sets. Here we go. So these is what I was talking about. You can find them in C drive, 1012, workspace, FDUT, work sets, because we're trying to make a work set for this work area, which is FDUTP. These are basically just empty ones. And inside this, as you know, this is the template that FDUT want. I mean, if you have different states, you might need something else, but this is what we're gonna do. Before I can just drag them and put them here, but before that, let me show you also how to find them in ProjectWise. So let's go to ProjectWise, FDUT 12, and then let's go to Workspace, and then FDUT, and then Workset. As you can see here, we already have them, but whoever made this from the beginning, you see, did not have the template. CFG and these are the same. But we're supposed to have the template here, but they didn't do that. They didn't put the template here because when they made this, they were just thinking it's gonna be like this. You just make a top project with the already template that we already have here to use it, which is you can come here and actually try to copy it and find it here and use it. As you see, if I click on execution, FPID, I can take all these from here and put them here. And all these are the same ones are here. So I'm just showing you two ways where to find them, either in your ProjectWise or in your local setup. So just because now you see them, I mean, like I said, you can come here, PIT, and select everything and copy it, which is what I'm gonna do for these. And let's copy. Okay. And now let's go to execution. Let's go to my new work area within the work area. I'm gonna paste it here. Yeah, I guess we can leave everything as it is. And it will also work the same, like I said, if I got them from my drive and dragged them here. Just make sure you have the rights to do that, because there are different multi-layers of rights. Just because you're an admin, there are some other boxes that need to be checked for you to give you extra rights. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish. Okay, it finished, and then I got this message, which is meaning operation has been performed only on folders. Yeah, it's okay, it's the document. So let me tell you what that means. It brought all the folders, but again, this is because ProjectWise security or whatever, how the admin people said it, it did not bring these. Let me go back here. It did not bring these. Because when I select copy, I think I only done document or folder. It doesn't matter. Like I said, we can bring them locally. So let me just go back again here. Let's go here. Get this one, and poop. Let's put them here. No wizard. And we got them. So now let's just properties. Because by default, when you drag anything, it's just going to default to MicroStation because it's a DG and it's going to be just MicroStation. But as we know, there are different versions. So we're going to actually use OpenRose Designer 1012 and just save it and be done with it. So now the next thing we need, like I said, either from ProjectWise or from here. I'm going to copy them from here, my local, and drop them here. Okay. I'm just going to take this name, copy it. We just need to make it the same. That's the important part. Like literally the same. No spaces, no nothing. There you go. Like I said, these I will change these later when we get the FPID numbers from the client. Okay, so now we have them, and now we have the FPID. So if you just did that, and this is what I taught before, if I just did that, I will go here. So I'm going to try to open this, right? And let's see what it's going to do. I'm going to pause the video till it open and come back. Here we go, it opened, and as you can see here, on the bottom here with this folder, you see there are no active work set. So we need to configure that. Okay, let me close this. Free it. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna stop this video now, and I'm gonna record the part 2 of it because I have some calls there. Some people need some help. So I will get back to that, and then I will do part 2, which is how to make it work. Thank you.